Craving an escape where ancient streets whisper tales of kings and scholars, a lazy river shimmers under the sun and vibrant melodies paint the air. Then let Coimbra, Portugal, captivate you, a city where history dances with student spirit, promising an unforgettable experience for every soul. Step back in time at the majestic University of Coimbra, one of Europe's oldest, and walk where generations of scholars honed their minds. Climb the Joanina Library stairs, adorned with thousands of ancient tomes, explore the ornate classrooms, and imagine the whispered secrets within these historic walls. Every corner echoes with knowledge. For the art enthusiasts, the Santa Cruz Church beckons with a dazzling display of Portuguese azulejo tiles. Marvel at the intricate blue and white panels depicting biblical scenes. Lose yourself in the vibrant colors and soak in the serene atmosphere of this architectural gem. Every tile whispers a story. Venture beyond the university quarter and lose yourself in the bustling labyrinth of the Baixa de Coimbra, the city's historic heart. Browse charming shops overflowing with local crafts, savor a pastel de nata in a traditional cafe, and let the infectious energy of street performers wash over you. Every corner surprises. Feel the adrenaline pump as you descend the ancient stone steps of the Quebra-Costas, an aqueduct carved into the hillside. This scenic stairway twists and turns through lush greenery, offering breathtaking views of the city and the Mondego River below. Every step whispers an adventure. As the sun begins its descent, painting the Mondego River in warm hues, head to Santa Clara-a-Velha, a Gothic monastery nestled by the water. Witness the serene cloisters bathed in golden light. Explore the fascinating ruins and let the peaceful whispers of the nuns who once resided here resonate within you. Every ruin remembers. Indulge in a hearty francesinha sandwich, a local delicacy, at one of Coimbra's renowned restaurants. Savor the layers of bread, meat, and melted cheese. Pair it with a glass of Portuguese wine and lose yourself in the warm ambiance of local hospitality. Every bite promises pure satisfaction. For a taste of Coimbra's soul, lose yourself in the melancholic melodies of Fado, Portugal's soulful music. Find a hidden tasca, a traditional tavern, and listen to the heartfelt songs of love and loss sung by passionate performers. Every note whispers a story. As twilight whispers its lullaby, find a rooftop terrace overlooking the city and gaze at the star-studded tapestry above. Let the twinkling constellations transport you to another world. A world where time melts away and you're left with the gentle whisper of the wind and the sweet memory of Coimbra. From ancient university halls to vibrant streets, from scenic escapes to soulful melodies, Coimbra offers an unforgettable experience for every soul. Whether you seek the whispers of history, the buzz of student life, or the captivating spirit of Fado, this Portuguese gem promises to weave its magic around you, leaving you with a heart full of memories and a yearning to return. So pack your curiosity, your sense of adventure, and your open heart. Coimbra awaits, ready to whisper its stories and paint your own Portuguese escapade.